How to make a TikTok with photos. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll right here. Then, go to the Photos section as shown. Make sure the Select Multiple option below is enabled. Now select as many photos as you want and then tap on Next at the bottom. Here, you can swipe to view the pictures you selected. Then edit them as you like using the Edit options on the right side of the screen. After that, tap on Next. Here, you can add a caption and also manage other settings. Then tap on Post. You have now successfully posted the pictures to TikTok. Go to your profile to view your post. Following these steps, you can easily make a TikTok with photos.